Once upon a time, in a peaceful village surrounded by verdant hills, there stood a mighty oak tree at the heart of the village square. Its branches reached out wide and strong, casting a comforting shade on the ground beneath it. For generations, this tree had been a silent witness to the life of the village, offering its shelter and presence without asking for anything in return. The villagers loved and revered the great oak. They would often meet under its spread for social gatherings, markets, and moments of reflection. Children played games amongst its roots, and the elderly would sit on carved wooden benches, swapping stories of days gone by. Despite the bustling activities around it, the tree remained strong and steadfast, a guardian to the village and its people. One summer, a fierce storm swept through the village. It was the kind of storm that could uproot trees and flatten buildings. Many villagers sought refuge, and as they gathered under the oak tree, they marveled at its ability to withstand the raging winds. The tree's deep roots and broad branches sheltered them from the storm, and once it passed, the villagers emerged, untouched by the tempest. Still, the storm left its mark on the village. Several homes were damaged, and the people despaired over how they would rebuild. It was then that the oak tree offered something more profound than shelter. The villagers noticed how its lower branches, now broken by the storm, lay across the ground, thick and pliant. One by one, they began to collect these fallen boughs, using them to mend roofs, craft supportive beams, and build anew. As the homes were rebuilt, the villagers realized that the oak tree had given them more than just protection during the storm, it had granted them the means to restore their homes and lives. Even in its silent, uncomplaining way, the oak continued to give without expecting anything in return. The villagers wanted to thank the tree, but how do you thank something that gives so selflessly? They decided to plant seedlings around the village. This way, the spirit of the great oak would live on, spreading its message of generosity and resilience beyond the village boundaries. Years later, the village was dotted with young saplings, each a testament to the oak's legacy. The oak tree continued to stand in the village square, watching over generations, offering shade and strength. It was a living parable of true giving, a reminder that the most profound gifts come without asking for anything in return, just like the tree that gave without asking.